monkeys. Let's go!
Well, guys, you won't believe this, but I forgot my main camera at home. So we're gonna, well, like I said before, we're probably not gonna record too much today, but we're here at SeaWorld in Orlando for our 33rd anniversary.
Yay!
Only 10:30, and we got our reservation for the dolphin encounter for tomorrow. We got all our quick cues, we got our rap sheet, and we got a ride on Kraken, all within an hour. And I gotta tell you something, Kraken is better than Kumba, definitely. We're just having a blast here at SeaWorld. Had an early lunch and got on quite a few rides. There's our next ride. Yeah, not doing too much recording because, like I said, I left my good camera at home. So we're just taking some video with the older camera. And yep, we just checked out our place that we're gonna eat dinner, the Shark Underwater Grill, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy that. So we may bring you in with us a little bit, show you what we get and show you inside. We basically took care of that side of the park with Kraken, Mako. We didn't go on Journey to Atlantis, and we didn't go on Manta. Let's see, Kraken, Mako, and Penguin Trek. That's what we did go on. But now we gotta wait about 30 minutes for Pipeline. It looks like they're only running one train. Not too busy. Actually, Pipeline did say, according to that, 45 minutes, and it's only 30 minutes. The longest wait, I think, was for Penguin Trek. Yeah, that was like a 45-minute wait. Actually, no, it was a 65-minute wait. Now it's up to like 80 minutes. Yeah, so that was the longest one. So, you having fun so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, we're just taking it easy today, and we'll be back also tomorrow for our dolphin encounter. Get real up close to the dolphins. Should be fun. Yeah, we probably look real funny in this. We're hopping on some pink chickens.
Yeah.
Just like the ones behind us.
Maybe the ones in front of us too.
Yeah, well, yeah, but that's in the way of the sun.
Oh.
Nothing like paddling on a pink chicken. So beautiful out here.
Yeah, it is.
Seven Seas Festival going on. You go all the way out to the buoy.
Allowed to?
Yeah, you're allowed to go all the way out to the buoys. See if we see any fishies. Oh, I'm sure there's fish in here. All I have to do is say is the wait times on all the rides. Well, after 12 o'clock, it seems like the wait times just went incredible. Yeah. Mako's up to a 70-minute wait, so we decided to take the paddle boats and waste a little bit of time. Mako from a Pink's Chicken point of view. What? It's 5:15 and it's our anniversary, and we're gonna be eating with the fishies. The sharks, many fishes. This is just utterly amazing.
Someone dropped their purse or their phone thing behind that table.
Thank you.
I got the filet mignon, and she got the grilled lamb chops. Yeah, this is fine dining. Just went through the dolphin encounter with Iggy, and we had a nice little, we got to feed him and pet him.
Very smooth.
Very soft, very smooth. Not slimy though.
No, not like the stingrays were.
Yeah. But we couldn't bring the camera up close because dolphins think that cameras are toys.
Yeah, we don't need to lose our camera.
Nope. Well, that basically covers it for SeaWorld today. Like I said, we're not going to give you too much stuff. We just filmed a few interesting things, and we had a nice little dinner for our 33rd anniversary.
Yep.
Boy, was it good.
Yes.
Yeah. And that'll be it for today. Until the next time, we'll see you at the parks. So we left SeaWorld after the dolphin experience, and we came to Busch Gardens. Bad idea. Spring break, Saturday, 2:30, and parking was a disaster. It is crowded here today.
Yeah, it is.
I think they actually reached capacity and they're still letting more people in. Oh, by the way, one thing to note, over there's no more sign of ride closures. They took that sign down. Why? I don't know. Too many people complaining about closed rides. Cheetah hunt doing an evac. Plus they're going to be putting another train on, I think. They took one off. Oh, we have both of the hippos. Hi Debbie, hi Kita. Oh, let's see what they're, wow. Okay, so there's some new structure happening over here. That is definitely new. I guess that's for shade. So there'll be like a viewing spot right there. A viewing spot right there. A couple of good viewing spots. Boy, progress is coming along real good. And a wall for them, I guess, or something. I don't know. It's quite a bit of work that they done. Wow. You can tell it's busy when you got Serengeti Flyer with a 55-minute wait.
Yikes.
Not to mention Iron Gwazi was up to 100 minutes. And that's because they're on one train. Train 2 is no longer on the track. They're just running and operating with Train 1. Train 2, I believe, ran its cycles. They said Train 3 should be back on soon. We noticed right by the transfer that all the cars for Train 2 were down below on the ground. So, yeah, it's a busy day. There's so many things going against coming on a day like today. 1, it's a Saturday, so it's a weekend. 2, it's spring break. 3, Food and Wine Festival. 4, concert. I think that was all of them. Yeah. So when you get all that all together, that ends up being a very busy day here at Busch Gardens. Actually, I think they're well over capacity, honestly. And Kumba is running. That's right, from what I gather, Kumba started running again Friday, yesterday, or Thursday possibly. Sometime this week they got Kumba back up and running. So that little issue with the Cobra roll and the flag, I guess it was a simple fix. Just a look at how busy it is. Look at all those people.
They look like ants from down here.
They're bigger than ants. And just as I figured, no progress over here. Still looks the same. Don't worry guys, I'm still looking on the permit website, and yeah, actually the permitting website had a little click one time and everything disappeared. So it looks like they got everything back up and running on their permit website. Got to see all the recent permits. Yeah, some mechanics working back there. I thought one of them was David Gold, but I think David Gold is over there by Cheetah Hunt. Never let that electrician work on anything. I'm kidding. So this is Busch Gardens on a busy Saturday, guys. Enter at your own risk. If it wasn't for the concert, we probably wouldn't be here. When we left, they were evacuating that train. Now we're here, and the train is still there.
girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.